Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and automotive updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Altroz, a hatchback that has been refreshed with bold styling, advanced technology, and Tata's signature focus on safety. Let's explore what makes this new Altroz stand out. Striking exterior design. The 2025 Tata Altroz has received a noticeable makeover to keep it competitive in the premium hatchback segment. The sharp front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and reworked bumper give it a sportier stance. Stylish alloy wheels and new LED tail lamps add to its dynamic presence. With bold character lines and Tata's modern design language, the Altroz continues to look both futuristic and elegant. Premium interiors and comfort. Inside the cabin, Tata has ensured the Altroz feels more premium than ever. The dual-tone interior with soft-touch materials provides an upscale vibe. A large 10.25-inch infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay takes center stage. Additional features include a fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and ventilated front seats. The cabin space remains roomy, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers during long drives. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Altroz is offered with multiple engine options, including the refined 1.2-liter petrol and 1.5-liter diesel engines. Tata has also worked on improving fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Transmission choices include a smooth manual gearbox and an upgraded DCA automatic for effortless city driving. The suspension setup ensures stability on highways while delivering a comfortable ride in city conditions. Safety above all. Safety has always been a core strength of the Altroz, and the 2025 model carries forward this reputation proudly. With a 5-star global NCAP rating, the hatchback is equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold control, and ISOFIX mounts. Tata's use of high-strength steel further reinforces its commitment to making one of the safest cars in its class. Price and rivals. The 2025 Tata Altroz is expected to be competitively priced across multiple trims, giving buyers flexibility based on budget and features. It will continue to challenge strong rivals like the Hyundai i20, Toyota Glanza, and Maruti Baleno while offering a unique edge in safety and design. Final verdict. The 2025 Tata Altroz combines sharp styling, advanced features, reliable performance, and unmatched safety. It is designed for buyers who want more than just a hatchback, something stylish, practical, and safe for everyday use. Stay tuned to Vehicle Club for more detailed reviews, comparisons,